Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 23rd video in Python GUI development with Pyside2. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create print dialog in Pyside2. So this is from the previous video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can export for example your text as a PDF file in Pyside2. For example, if you write something in here and you want to export this as a PDF, for example like Microsoft Word, we are going to add that functionality in here. So now for this I'm going to just use this code from the previous video. I have already done these, so I'm going to just copy this and paste it in here. Now if you want to get the source code, you can just open my blog codeloop.org and https codeloop.org, and you can just search for the source code from here and you can find the source code. You can copy that. So now after this you can see that we have just our import, and this is our class window, and in here I have set my icon, and these are my main menu, file menu, view menu, and also edit, phone, and help. Also I have added some menu items, for example open, save, exit with icons, and these are the actions for my menu items. 3 actions. For this is for the exit, this is for the print, and this is for the print preview. And in here we have added our actions, so I have added 3 of them to my file menu, open, save, and exit, and 2 of them for my in my view menu. So also I'm going to add my this export PDF menu item also in the view. For this I'm going to just copy this print action from here. Let me just comment this export as PDF and change this to PDF action, and we need to change this icon to pdf.png. I've already added this icon to my working directory, and change the text to export PDF. So now after this we need to add this to the view menu, and we can simply copy this and paste it in here. This is PDF action. Now if I run this, you will see that I have a new menu item, but right now we don't have any functionality for this. You can see export PDF. So for adding functionality we need to just create a new method in here. I'm going to just call it diff PDF export. Now after this, the first thing we need to just create a Q file dialog, Q file dialog. So this Q file dialog is related to QWidgets. So now we need to import this. Alt enter Q file dialog. We have a typo in here. Okay, now you can say simply alt enter, and you can see Q file dialog and from QWidgets, and if you see we have imported the Q file dialog in here. Now after this in here we are going to just say get save file name and the parent is self. Also we need to just give a text, for example export PDF, and this is the optional directory. I'm going to just give it none, and also we need a filter, so this is PDF files, and we can just say .pdf and all files. We are getting all the PDF files, so we are saving the PDF as a PDF. So now after this we need to just check, we are going to just say that if this is not empty, and also if Q file info, in here we are going to just add a suffix, so we need to just import this. This is related to Qt core class, so from Pyside2 Qt core import Q file info. qFileInfo. And qFileInfo fn dot suffix. So fn, and we are going to just add .pdf in here. So after this, we need to just create the object of our QPrinter, and we need to just add the mode, and I'm going to just say high resolution. And after this, we are going to just say printer dot set output format, and this is QPrinter dot PDF format. Also, we need to set the output file. So set output file name, and this is fn. Because we're using TextEdit in here, and we are going to export the content of our TextEdit as a PDF, so we need to just say self.textedit dot document dot print printer. So it's like printing as a PDF. Now we have created this method. We need to connect this with the triggered signal of our menu item at the top, where we have our this export as PDF. So we are going to just say PDF action dot triggered dot connect self dot PDF export. Now let me just run this. Okay, so now let me just write something. Please subscribe my channel and get the source codes from https www.codeloop.org. Now I'm going to just say export PDF, and you can see by default we are using our working directory because we haven't specified any directory for the saving of this file, so it will save in our working directory. So I'm going to just say for example my PDF file and save. So now if I check my working directory, it was my PDF. Yeah, you can see that we have my PDF file. Now you can just say show in Explorer, and we can open this. So you can see, please subscribe my channel and get the source code from this. So like this you can export your text or your file as a PDF in Pyside2. Also, if you want the source code, you can just check my blog. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video.